Hey guys, just wanted to say a few things before we got started on the test that is finally here. One is that I didn't have my normal camera, so that's why I have limited footage as well as not very good quality footage. Secondly, I think it was about a 75% success. The 25% is a flaw in the wheel design, and so you'll hear some rubbing or scraping is in the video. It's a good concept. I should have spent a little more money, a little more time. I'm thinking maybe $100 in material, if that much, but possibly around 100, as well as a couple days of design and really put some thought into it. And I think you could have something just as rugged, just as durable as a Monowalker. Probably not as adaptable, but definitely something that would work as well, not being folded into a number of different configurations. But what I have is just something I threw together as fast and as cheap as I could to see if it's possible. So hopefully this will encourage somebody who can't afford one to make one and see how something would be done similar to it. Anyway, hope you enjoy it, and appreciate the views. Also wanted to mention that I thought I had packed the belt system that I had created for it, but I did not, so I wasn't able to test it. I did test it some at the house on concrete and it worked just fine. That doesn't necessarily mean that it would have worked in this terrain, going up and down hills and such, but it did work pretty well, so I'm hoping that it would have worked decent. And again, if you put a little more money, some time, perhaps square aluminum tubing, some better materials, you could make something that's fairly good, and hopefully I'll do that in the future. In the future, I'm thinking of making another one, as well as one that is a two-wheel cart, something that'd be a little more rugged, haul more weight, as well as stay more stable. That's one problem that this had. It wasn't very stable, and again, that's because of the bad wheel design and the lack of time that I put into it. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and have a good day.
Okay, so a little update on it. Since the update video, I've added a small sleeping bag, a sleeping pad, and a one-person tent, and the little Goal Zero solar charger right there. And also, I've not updated you, but I've changed the wheel. It was a wire spoke wheel, and because of that it did sound like one of those carts in Walmart. The spokes weren't made for that much weight, but that plastic lawnmower wheel works pretty good. So anyway, it was 135 pounds plus, I'm guessing, another 10 to 15 pounds I've put on there. So in addition to carrying the cart, I'm also carrying this bug out bag. Right now, currently it's about, I'd say about 25 to 30 pounds. It did weigh about 35 pounds. I've taken a few items out of it, but if you're going to be carrying a Monowalker or something like it, it'd be nice to know how much weight you could carry in addition to that. So that's what I'm going to be testing it with, is carrying this.